So it's a rainy day today, and there's not much I can do unless I really want to just get wet. But I decided to check in my garden just before the rain came and see what I had growing. That was just as exciting as working in the gardens themselves. So, I don't have a lot of vegetables from my garden, but my zinnias and my coneflowers, they're so pretty. Look at those colors. I had a huge batch of basil. Oh, my herbs just love this weather. Over here is some pineapple sage. If you've never tried it, oh my goodness, it produces the most beautiful red flower. I have several kinds of oregano. And oh my goodness, if you have never tried that in fresh spaghetti sauce or lasagna, it is amazing. Of course, there's your reliable parsley. I got a green pepper from the garden. I figured I'd enjoy it before the bugs did. And I got another huge handful of pole beans that I'm growing on the side of my enclosed garden. So even though I can't go out and work in the garden, I can certainly enjoy what is growing. So this is Gretchen the Green Lady saying get out there, enjoy your gardens, and get your hands dirty.